So Honda is recalling over 400,000 cars literally because the wheels might fall off. So yes, I mean the wheels might actually detach from the car while you're driving. This is a serious issue. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of cars affected, so you definitely want to stay to the end of this video. So if you own a Honda Civic from the last decade, this is one video that you're not going to want to skip, guys. Today we're breaking down which models are affected, what went wrong, and what you need to do. So on October 31st, Honda quietly issued a massive recall. We're talking 406,000 vehicles which have been discovered with a manufacturing defect in certain 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, the problem is a small but critical part called the steel lug seat insert wasn't properly pressed into the wheel during production. Now, that tiny mistake can cause the wheel surface to deform and the lug nuts to loosen, and eventually the entire wheel could separate from the car. So, in other words, your Civic could lose a wheel at speed, which is totally dangerous and really, really not good. So here's the deal. If you own a Civic between 2016 and 2021, you're going to want to pay attention here. Now, the recall covers all Civics in those model years that have the 18-inch alloy wheels. So yeah, basically we're talking 6 years of Civics that all are potentially running wheels that weren't built the way Honda intended. So here's where it gets wild, guys. Honda traced this whole issue back to a wheel supplier in Italy. Someone at the factory moved a fence separating finished wheels from unfinished ones, and suddenly the two piles got mixed up. I mean, this is crazy. Like, you can't even make this up. Just like a dude moved the fence, and all of a sudden we got 400,000 vehicles that the wheels could be falling off of. These unfinished wheels skipped the final inspection, skipped the press fitting process, and got shipped as if everything was normal. Now, Honda first noticed something was wrong in July of 2024 during a routine inspection where they found wheels were missing their lug seat inserts. So after months of digging, I guess Honda finally realized that US vehicles might be affected too, and now they're finally pulling the trigger on a recall this October. And here's where it gets even better, guys. The factory that made these wheels, yeah, it shut down manufacturing department back in 2023. So yeah, that's great. Honda says they're going to be contacting owners starting around December 8th. Dealers were already notified on October 31st. So yeah, guys, if you start getting letters from Honda, don't ignore them. You're going to want to pay attention. This is potentially really dangerous. This is one of the biggest Civic-related recalls in years, and it's definitely serious. So if you or you know anybody that's driving a 2016 to 2021 Civic, share this video with them. It might save them from a dangerous failure on the road. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I'm DC5 James, and I'll see you next time. Peace.